Hi, welcome to the Fishial.AI tutorial video on the breakdown of the team image listing. To navigate to the team image listing, you're going to use the left side navigation to click on Team and then Team Images. The screen looks like a lot at first, but breaks down really easily. We are currently looking at all catalogs, and you can change that by clicking here and selecting specific catalogs if you have specific catalogs within your team. Automatically, the default is to view all catalogs, as well as the status for images to be viewed are new, rejected, and processing. However, you can change this by clicking on whatever status, image status you want to view. This second row are action buttons for the images. These action buttons have to have at least one image selected, or at least one image. You can select up to the entire page. You can view 30, 50, or 100 images at a time. So you have the ability to apply these action buttons to potentially 100 images at a time, or just one. These action buttons are to edit, delete, or submit the images that have been selected. For the images that have been selected, you can tag species, assign metadata to the image, assign copyright data to the image, or move these images to a specific catalog or create a new catalog. These first three right here, tag species, metadata, and copyrights, are really useful if you have a large number of images that are either all the same species, or all have the same metadata, or all have the same copyright information. These three buttons will let you add all of the information very quickly, one time, but apply it to all of the images that you have selected. You can also assign an image or multiple images to a team member on your team. We are currently viewing the image listing in List View. There are three options: List View, Gallery View, and Catalog View. List View shows every image as its own row, and each row has the same columns. It has a checkbox for you to select the image. It has the image thumbnail, the catalog that the image belongs to. If the image has been tagged with a fish species, that will be listed here. The number of polygons that have been drawn by the object detection model or that have been edited by a team member, the current status of the image, the last modification date and time of the image, the owner of the image, so whoever uploaded the image to the portal, and who the image is currently assigned to on that team. If there are metadata tags already associated with the image, they will be listed here. And then each image has additional stack of buttons where you can view the history, detailed history of the image with the status, the field, if it's an image that has been uploaded, polygon that has been added, a species that has been changed, etc. The date and time, and the user who made that change. You can also edit, submit, or assign each individual image by clicking on these three little dots. That is the list view of the image gallery. Gallery view of the image listing will show the thumbnail as the main source of getting information from the image. So show a gallery of thumbnails enlarged. With the fish species and small type underneath the image. Hovering over the image with your mouse will show the fish species, the status of the image, and the last date and time the image has been modified. Clicking on the three little dots will allow you to view the history, edit the image, delete it, submit the image, assign the image, download the image, or copy the URL. Checking the image in the top right-hand corner, you can then click on edit, delete, or submit, same as prior in the prior screen. Catalog view of the images will show you all of the catalogs that you have in your team. It will also show you the number of images in each catalog. You can select on a catalog, or you can delete a catalog, or you can click on the square button to bring you to the list view of that catalog. Now I'm going to need to include more status information to be able to view all of the images within this catalog, because they've all been verified already in the QA/QC process. To get back to the catalog view, you would just click on catalog view to get back to there. Thank you for watching the tutorial on the breakdown of the team image listing.